Today concept is property file. Today concept is property file. What is property file? Property file is nothing but it contains simple definition. It contains some general information. It contains some general information, or we can say simply we can say it contains some general information, or not only XPath, simple definitions. Normal words I will teach you. Not only XPath, we can take other properties also. Not only XPath, we can take some other properties also. So there are two ways. The first one, directly we can give the properties in the main test. Directly we can give the main test. Second one, we can create the property file. We can create the property file, comma, all the properties we will keep in one file. We will keep in property file. We can create the property file. All the properties we will keep in property file. Using the properties, Selenium, Webdriver will identify the web elements. So there are two ways. Properties. Today concept is properties. Not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. Not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. So there are two ways we can take the properties. Directly we can give the properties in the main test. So this way software companies will not allow you. This way software companies will not allow you. Only just we should create the property file. So how to create the property file I will explain you. So not only XPath concept also all the companies not using. Only compulsory we should create property file. Some companies they are using XPath, some companies they are using 50% of the company they are using XPath, 50% of the company they are using property file. So property file first way, directly we can give the properties in main test. That way software companies will not allow you. So second way only. So we can create the property file and all the properties we will keep in one property file. We will keep in file and using that property Selenium WebDriver will identify the web elements. How this concept we will discuss now. Right. This is the concept yesterday, last day we discussed. This is the concept already we discussed. This is the concept already we discussed. XPath, using XPath, how to identify the web elements using Selenium WebDriver. So today concept
Sir,
is,
one question, sir.
ask me.
Sir, one question. In this, what to say? In Eclipse, all these things will be already installed, right? The company will install and keep. So there won't be any questions like how you will install or we have to install in our system. That is not the basic practice, right, sir?
I didn't get you. Come again.
No, sir. In Eclipse, we are actually adding this Selenium jar, right? Sorry, excuse me. So that and all a company will already install and keep. So we don't need to do it right in our
No,
system
no, no,
like
no.
what we are doing.
Whenever you are working with any
Company
software company, that technical department people, IT people will do all those
will do
things.
it.
Okay. So
Okay, okay, sir.
which version is compatible, which version is not compatible, what version they want, everything they will install. No need to worry. So no need to install.
Like what? Okay,
Whenever
like what Navata is facing, that issue and all we won't face, right?
no, 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 no. In future, we will not face. So, for
Okay.
example, this is the year 2016. Now, latest version of QTP, latest version of Selenium, for example, 3.0. For example, 3.0. So, now the project started in 2015. So, they will use still, if they already they started with 2.2 version. So, they will continue with 2.2 only. Okay, latest version came
Okay.
to market, but they will not use latest version. So
Okay, sir.
completely, if you want to work with any application, compulsory they should use only one version, not other versions. Okay,
Okay, okay.
right. This is the session yesterday we discussed. So WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver WD dot find element by XPath. I'm using XPath send keys AkhilReddy H51 WD dot find element by XPath. I'm next button click thread or sleep I'm using. So WD dot find element by XPath password I gave and I'm clicking on sign in button. This is the session yesterday already we discussed. Today concept is different. Gmail. Just go to gmail.com. Each and every web element having one unique location that is called XPath. So username having one unique location that is XPath. Not only XPath, here highlighted one line, input ID is equal to email, type equal to email, autofocus, place, holder equal to enter your email, name equal to email, spell check, false, value. These are the properties. These are the properties. Not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. These are the properties. These are the properties. These are the properties. We can take the any property. ID or name property max we will use. ID or name property. ID or
Name
name
prop.
property. So now I want to take only ID property. So in the place of XPath, I'm writing ID. ID. So ID, I know ID. Email. Password ID. Sorry, next button ID. I know. Password ID. I know. If you know ID, we can guess the
Sir,
XPath.
ID you didn't give. Sir, ID you didn't give. It's still expat only. Second line, third
No,
line.
madam. No, madam. I will change, madam. See, if you know ID, we can get the
Uh,
XPath. If you know XPath, we can get the ID. We can guess the ID or get the ID. Okay. If you know XPath, we can get the ID or guess the ID. If you know ID, you can guess the XPath. You should remember.
okay. Okay.
ID. 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 If you know XPath, we can guess the ID. If you know the ID, you can guess the XPath. Save, click on run. Using these properties also we can work. ID property I am taking. Using this ID
Mm.
property, we can work with any application. It will go to Gmail. It will enter ID and password. It will click on sign in button. right?
Okay, sir.
This is the one way. Directly we can give the properties in main test. Directly we can give the properties in main test. So second way, we can create the property file. How to create the property file? Just concentrate, please concentrate. Right click on package. This is the first way, finished. Second way I am teaching now. Right click on package. So right click on package means whenever you are working with Java or Eclipse, if you take package, so then right click on package. If you are not taking any package, it will take under default package. So if you are not taking any package, that time you should right click on default package. Right click on default package, take new, other, general. Right click on default package, new, other, general, file. Click on next. Give the file name. Give the file name Akhi. I'm giving file name is Akhi. Already existed. Already exist. So AK. I'm giving file name is AK. Click on finish. So here I'm giving, observe carefully. I'm giving alias names A equal to email, B equal to. I'm giving with alias names B equal to next NEXT, C equal to password, D equal to sign in. I gave and stored with alias names. Come to Webdriver. Now here you should write 2 more lines extra. Only just yesterday concept only, just enhancement. Not only using XPath, we can take the other properties also. Here you should write properties P equal to new properties. File input stream FIS equal to new file input stream. Give the path of the property file. Just go and get the property file path AK. Right click, go to properties, copy the path, copy, come here, give the path in double colons. If you want import the data or if you want export the data, we should use double slash. We should use double slash.
Double slash.
We should use double slash. In Java or Selenium, if you want import the data, if you want export the data, we should use double slash. Double
We
slash.
can use even backslash, right, sir?
Ah, yes, madam.
Okay, sir.
P dot load. Not yet loading. P dot.
Sir, that properties, see the properties you have given double P, PRO, PPERTS, P is equal to new.
Okay. If it is anything wrong, it will show error. No problem.
Okay, sir.
P dot load. FIS.
This concept is already explained.
Huh? This
On
con
Thursday, you have explained after.
this concept is over or not?
Over.
Over.
I'm
No,
thinking
this
like,
is no, this is not over. That find elements by ID is not X element. X path only he taught us.
by ID also he taught no properties.
No.
Property file not yet finished. I think I don't know.
No.
Properties. File input string. File input string. File input string. Import the statement file
You
input.
have sent the file code property file, no sir.
Ma?
You have already sent us code
Property
property
file.
file. No, sir.
I have sent you property file, but your concept not yet finished, I think. File input stream. File input stream. So after that, so we can get, so here, so already I have attached property file. Just here you should write, what we need to write here? P dot,
Alias P dot
get property, a
alias.
alias name. We are not giving here, indirectly we are giving, we gave in property file, now we are writing B. P dot get property C. P dot get property D. This is the concept of property file concept. So save, click on run. So after this class, you can work with any property. Sometimes XPath will not work. If it is XPath not work, just you can take the ID or name property. If it is properties not working, you can take the XPath. Whatever you want, you can take it. There is no restriction.
Sir, the Telugu matrimony, this will have any problem? Still, it will have problem if we
Still,
take
if it
the
is
ID?
properties also, it will not run. But your work is you should write property file for telugumatrimony.com.
Okay, you're giving homework, sir.
Homework. That homework is telugumatrimony.com only. Why? Because we can get nearly 10 to 15 options. Like we can get radio boxes, text boxes, buttons, list boxes, everything we have in only telugumatrimony.com. You should create the property file for telugumatrimony.com. Then you can get it. What